Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset or power wash on this laptop. The power wash operation will erase all local data stored on this device, and after that you will be able to set up this device as new, but if you have any personal files stored on this device, then you should either back them up in Google Drive or on using an external device. You can get to know more about this on the official Google support page. And once you're ready to perform a factory reset, go to Launcher, open Settings, then scroll down to System Preferences and scroll all the way down until you hit the Power Wash option. Now, if you once you click Reset next to this option, then restart, the Power Wash operation will begin. Now let's wait until the device restarts. After that, select Power Wash, then Continue, and wait until this operation is performed. Okay, so I have it in German, but generally it says that power wash is in process. Now just wait until you see the setup screen once again, and that will mean that the power wash operation is complete. And that's it. Now you just gotta set up your PC, and if you want to know how to do that, you can check the entire video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. Now for this one, this basically is the entire process. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.